In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a shape in Google Slides. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Go to Google Slides and open a slide or create a new one. There, click on Insert. Then on the Image option from the menu. Now choose an image from your computer or internet. Then select the image. Click on the arrow button, next to the crop tool. Select any shape from the list. And your image will be cropped according to the selected shape. There you have it. Cropping an image into a shape in Google Sheets is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.